Ma'am, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Wow.
Ma'am, can I?
What is
Ma'am,
this,
this is
Varin?
fighter plane.
This
Ma'am,
is
fighter
what?
plane. Ma'am, fighter plane.
Fighter plane. Or does it really fight?
Ma'am, but it moves. Ma'am, but
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Iram. How are you?
Ma'am, today is Iram's birthday.
Really? Happy birthday, Iram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everybody will sing a song for Iram today. Let everybody join. We'll wait for 2 more minutes.
And we have sing the song.
No problem. You have to sing it in front of me also.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, today what we will do the activity?
Beta, we will tell now the biggest activity before us is celebrating your birthday. So where is your birthday cap, Iram? Where are the balloons?
Ma'am, cake भी खाना है हमको? After these classes, ma'am, I will.
After
Ma'am,
these
then
classes, what will you do?
Ma'am, now it is cleaning the room. Ma'am, because of guests will come.
Okay, very good.
So they will come after the classes, ma'am. At 1:50 they will come.
All right. So the party is on, huh? Iram is going to have a good party today. That's wonderful. And okay, everybody will now. I think most of the students have joined. Let us sing the Iram's birthday song. Everybody, stand up. Iram, you also stand up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. 1, 2.
Please wait. I am setting my camera.
All right. Iram, you can also set your camera because we can't see your face. Okay, Iram, you keep sitting down if it is not being set. Very nice.
Not be.
Yes, yes, yes. Sit down.
Ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, all birthday caps are on everybody's window. Very nice. Iram, where is your birthday cap?
Ma'am, can I brought a birthday cap? I have birthday cap also.
But Iram, we need to put it on Iram's head, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Iram, put that emoji of that celebration, the birthday cap emoji.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I am bringing the cap, ma'am. I have a cap.
Okay, very nice, very good. Go and get it. And very nice. Utsav is looking so sweet.
But I don't know how Utsav do this all.
Yes?
I know it can be done only in laptop, but I don't know where it can done.
Okay, even I have a laptop. How do I get ready for the party? How do you do it? How do you do it? Utsav, please teach us.
Ma'am, on the stop video, click on the arrow.
Stop video.
Yes, ma'am.
No, stop video. Where is stop video?
Ma'am, stop or
Ma'am, where this video
All
is
right,
option.
on start video.
Where
On
you-
start video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Where you
Okay.
start and switch off your video.
Ma'am, then you have to click on virtual background option.
Virtual background. Let me see. Yes.
Ma'am,
Then
this I know, but
Ma'am,
Then
then you have to go on. Ma'am, then you have to go on video filters.
video filters. Okay. I just love to learn new things, especially from my children. All right. So we have so many icons. Now I have to click on any one of them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll put these glasses. It's not coming.
Ma'am, please. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
now come.
here it is.
Yes.
Then I can also put these. Very nice. Okay, very good. What else? What birthday emojis are there that can help us celebrate her birthday?
Ma'am, there are no birthday.
Okay, I have so many lollipops now, candies.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I'm now putting it off. I'm going back to normal. Stop video.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, where Iram has gone?
Iram has gone to bring her birthday cap.
Ma'am, please wait. I am connecting to laptop.
Okay, Anshuman Gangwar. While you're having your food, beta, you can please close your camera. Okay, when Iram will come, you can open your camera.
Ma'am, I have come.
Ma'am, but I am.
Okay, ready. Very nice. Everybody open your camera. Good.
And I am connecting to laptop also.
Okay, Iram, I have candies for all of you.
Ma'am, please wait. I am connecting to laptop.
In your birthday's honor, I have brought candies.
Ma'am, I had.
Ma'am,
And
please
Utsav
wait.
has come in his special costume.
Ma'am, I am connecting to laptop. Then I will also
Black.
do like this.
Okay, very nice. Jayesh, Riddhi Singh, Dev, Arya, Lakshita, Gunage. Beta, let's have some fun time also. Open your cameras. Abhimanyu Srivastav.
No internet.
Who is saying no internet?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
Yes, yes, sure. It's your day. Very good. Okay, till then, I'll just write your names for attendance. I'll just note down your names. Iram has again gone somewhere. Now today when I'll post the video in your class group, the heading is going to be birthday celebration, not SST. It is going to be birthday celebration. Hello Gunage, I'm seeing you for the first time in the class. Gunage, no response.
Ma'am, what can I say?
What can I say? You can give me a good reason. Why have you been not attending your classes?
Ma'am, the network was not coming from a long time. Now the network is good, so I can open my camera.
All right. So I'm glad to have you in my class and I'm glad to have your network back to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta.
I have come.
Very nice. Now everybody, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing aloud. Are you not happy? I can't hear anyone. Very bad. Happy birthday, dear Iram. Happy birthday to you. May you have a very long life. May you have a very long life. Happy birthday, dear Iram. Happy birthday to you. So how many birthday bumps do you want, Iram? How old are you? How old have you turned today? 10. So we'll give you 11 birthday bumps, huh?
Ma'am, we can do.
But we can't do that, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
when there are no options coming like hat and this in the video filters. It is none.
They're not coming. Okay, beta, then let it go now. You can try it later. Next time when you get free from the class, you can try it then. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell me how can we do this, ma'am, lollipops in, ma'am?
Lollipop
Okay.
thing. Okay, so Iram should do this lollipop thing. Go. Utsav will teach you. Utsav, please tell her how to do it.
Okay, ma'am. First, Iram, you have to click on stop video.
Okay, I have clicked.
Okay. Then you have to go on virtual background.
Okay, I have clicked.
Okay.
Then you have to click on video filters.
Okay.
Oh,
So there are video filters.
but it is showing that your machine does not support video filters.
And
Audio effects, beta.
So
There
beta,
are no-
this thing, your device maybe not having these features, no?
Ma'am, I am on window 10.
Windows
Ma'am, I am
10.
also on Windows 10.
I am also on Windows 10. So why is
Ma'am,
it
I
not
am-
working? What about you,
Ma'am,
Utsav?
ma'am, I am on also window 10.
Then why is it so? Why doesn't it support? Let's just try use
Can I screen
use
share
virtual background or use video filter. Where do we go? Use video filter.
Yes.
Ma'am, use virtual background.
But I have directly clicked on use this thing, video filter.
Ma'am, from there we can
It is
also do.
showing done. Ma'am, it is showing done.
It is showing done.
Done.
Then first we have to click on stop video or start video. Then we have to go on video filters. And then were many video filters.
There is no.
See, I can change all these.
Ma'am,
There
can
are
I-
many.
There is no coming.
Ma'am, please allow Utsav to screen share. Then he will show how we have to do.
Okay, just wait. Where are the lollipops gone? And Utsav, now I have to remove all of it. Now I want a plain screen. Okay, none. There is this option of none. All right. Okay, now what is Varun saying? I should allow Utsav to share screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Where do I allow it from? Allow participants to share screen. Okay, Utsav, now you can share screen and teach them all.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, अब option आ रहे हैं.
अरे zoom कहाँ गई? Yes.
All tabs. Window.
Wait. Yes. From there will be a stop video option. You have to click on that. Now there will be a option.
It is not coming.
Choose video filters.
It is coming your WhatsApp.
Yeah, but here we can do. See? Oh.
It is not coming.
Mm. Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please wait.
हाँ.
Mm.
Then can I show you? It is. showing.
Ma'am, can they see this? Ma'am, mute, stop video, these options.
It is showing your WhatsApp.
It is showing no,
Then can I?
showing your WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I cannot open that.
Click on the link. Click on the link which ma'am has sent.
Okay, now children, I'm stopping this screen share thing. Fine, it can't be taught like that by sharing screen.
Yes.
Okay, let's get back to our class.
Yes.
Now, last time we decided to do some paper craft, right? That's
Yes,
called
ma'am.
origami.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today-
Can I?
So today, who is going to teach what? Now, Varun, you taught that day. Okay, you trained us. You showed us how to make a boat. But today, let me give chance to some other
Ma'am,
students.
can I?
Anshuman was supposed to teach us some glider.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
So everybody, let's open our videos and take a piece of paper in our hands. Anshuman,
Ma'am,
can you start?
newspaper.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I know how to make a glider.
Ma'am,
Now
please wait
let's
1 minute.
learn it the way he does it. Maybe you all know it.
Ma'am, I also know.
Okay, what kind of a paper are we supposed to have, Anshuman?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
will
please
also.
wait.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
can take any paper. Ma'am, I am taking a big paper.
Like this, we can take.
We can take this paper.
Anshuman, is this one fine? This much paper is fine?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, I am taking a big paper.
Okay.
This is fine, Anshuman.
Yes.
Yes, this is fine. Children, see, now we studied that chapter. What was that? Conservation of resources. We studied in some chapter. So all
Yes,
those who have taken blank and new papers, you are wasting paper. I'm taking a used paper.
Ma'am,
I am also taking a newspaper.
Very nice, Devarya.
Ma'am, I'm doing this all work with the only one paper. So that
Okay,
paper.
very nice. Very good.
Ma'am,
Varun
I
is
will
also
also do
saving.
with the one paper.
One paper only. Let's not waste papers. Okay, Anshuman, step 1.
Step
Ma'am,
1.
fold it.
Step 1. Okay,
Like
from the top, you're supposed to fold your paper like this from both sides. Is it fine?
Triangle.
Please wait, please wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Please
Okay.
wait.
And triangle.
Like this.
Figure of fourth B.
Yes.
Okay, Anshuman. Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, you are class teacher of fourth B.
Yes, beta. What happened?
Ma'am, I'm asking.
Okay. Okay. Step 2. Step 1 done.
Next step to fold it like
One,
this.
it is correct.
Fold it. Okay.
Yes.
So bring it down like this. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Still
ma'am.
so much paper is left under it. But yours is not left. Okay, fine. My paper was big.
Ma'am, we have to fold it like this. Yes.
Yes, I have folded like this.
I know.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
Anshuman
know
is
how to
saying.
make this.
Ma'am, Anshuman is
Fold
saying we
it
have to
first.
fold the paper from the edge. Ma'am, from the edge.
No, we only have to fold this triangle part. So we have brought this triangle part down. Yes.
Yes,
Then-
ma'am.
Please wait.
Now,
Please wait.
Wait, Anshuman, wait for other students,
Okay.
beta.
Anshuman, it is correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but from here it is big and ma'am, from here it is small edge.
No, so Utsav, your folding wasn't proper. You have to fold it in such a way that the paper is divided properly. Okay? It has to be divided properly, beta.
ma'am, when you were showing your paper, then I was thinking it is the small paper like the notebook one, and when you have folded it, I think it is very big.
No, it is from register, a full size register that we have. It is that
Ma'am,
big.
I have also taken from the full register.
My register is this size
Ma'am,
register.
now I have done. Ma'am, now I have done.
Okay.
Anshuman, it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Anshuman, it is correct.
Yes, yes.
Anshuman, now we have to fold it like this. Now we have to fold it like this.
Fold it.
Now next step 3. What is step 3? Everyone has done both the steps.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we again, children, have to fold this part like this. Is it? We have to make these two corners meet on this triangle like this. Is
Ma'am, I
it?
make it.
Anshuman?
Ma'am, I also make glider plane like this only.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
very
have done.
nice.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have also done.
What have you done? Varun, no, Varun, you're not supposed to do it like this, beta. You are supposed
Ma'am, I
to
make it.
make these 2 points meet like this.
Ma'am, like this.
This part
like
will
this.
be straight. It
Ma'am,
won't see this much part will be left. You can see this edge. This edge won't hide. Like, see how Anshuman is doing it. These 2 points should meet
Ma'am, I
here.
made it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have joined with my mobile. Ma'am, today is only my laptop is ma'am restarting, but ma'am it cannot.
Like this.
So no problem if you have done it from your phone. Yes,
Yes.
that's the
Ma'am,
way.
now can I show
Yes,
the
it should
next
be like.
step?
Ma'am, can you tell me what we are doing?
Iram, is it Iram asking me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Iram, we are doing origami. We are doing the paper craft, origami work. And Anshuman is teaching us today how to make a fighter jet.
Ma'am, not fighter jet, ma'am, glider.
Okay, glider, sorry.
I will
Like
teach you
this I have
make a
made.
fighter plane.
All right,
Ma'am,
next
I
step,
have also made.
next step.
Ma'am, next step. Ma'am, this edge. Ma'am, this
Okay.
edge should be folded upwards.
All right. So the remaining triangle, there is a small triangle that is left downside.
Yes,
Now you have
like
to
this.
fold it upwards. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, now
Very
it is-
nice. You have to
And
fold it
now-
upwards. It will look like this. Can everybody see my paper?
Yes, ma'am, it is correct. Ma'am, this edge should be upwards.
Yes, we have to bring it upwards, covering both the points.
Yes.
Varun, why are your both points overlapping each other? Why is this part overlapping? It should not overlap, beta. These 2 points should only touch each other. It shouldn't be like this. Yours is going like this.
Ma'am, I have done like this.
Ma'am, can I do
Very
the
good.
next step?
Yes, what is the next step?
And Shubham,
Ma'am, now-
please, I am correcting it.
Ma'am, on 1 the class will be over.
At 1. Does it get over at 1? No, at 110. It is going to get over at 110.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Ma'am, I will show you here.
Yes, very nice. Now we have to fold our...
Ma'am, this. Ma'am,
Yes.
please wait 1 minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think my page is big.
Yes, even mine is very big. So let's see what comes, what output we get. I think now we have to fold it outwards like this, I believe. Let's see what he says.
Yes, ma'am. I also think that we have to
Ma'am,
fold it
ma'am.
like this.
It's fold.
Yes.
Ma'am, this part will be folded as like this.
All right. So everybody will take their papers and fold them like this. Oh, it has come out.
Ma'am,
My
in
God.
now.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have-
Just keep it on a table. Children, keep it on a strong base, a solid base, and then fold it with your hand. No triangle should get opened in between. The small triangle that you took upwards should not come out.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now it should be like this.
And Shubham, like this? It is
Yes.
correct?
Yes. Yes, it is.
All
correct.
right. It has come like this, Anshuman.
Mine come like this.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
How
correct.
have you folded it? Where is the triangle? Is it inside or it's outside? No,
Ma'am,
fold it like that. Utsav, do it in the opposite way. Yes, it should be outside.
Yes, ma'am, I have done that.
No, beta, you did it in the opposite way. See, when we have Utsav, can you see this?
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
it like this. Now we have to fold it like this. We can see these edges. These openings should be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, it will come like this.
Ma'am, so it will
come-
be tiered.
No, it won't be torn. Yes, it is coming like this, Varun.
Ma'am, it
Perfect.
is coming like this.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it
the
is coming
triangle
like
has to hide. Ma'am, the
Yes.
triangle has to hide.
The triangle is coming here. We can see this triangle. We can see this. Yes, very nice. Very good. Then Anshuman,
Ma'am,
next.
Ma'am, now fold it like this.
Fold it like how?
Ma'am, it was like this. It was like this.
Yes, it was like this.
We have to fold it like this.
Now we have to bring it down like this. This way, Anshuman.
Ma'am, then this part will be like this.
Okay, we have to bring it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, now
cannot
do,
understand this part.
ma'am, now do that. Ma'am,
Anshuman, like this.
yes.
Then go. And
Now do the same with the second part also.
Ma'am, I do
Okay.
not understand this step.
So it is going to, okay. Now Utsav, see, you have something ready like this, right? We have
Like
reached this point. Now what you have to do is just leaving a little space from here. You have to fold it like this, one side this and one side that. So it becomes like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We
Anshuman,
have
it is
little
correct?
space here. Is it fine, Anshuman? Our jet planes are fine. Oh, sorry.
Yes,
What was this?
Ma'am,
Glider.
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 And now it can fly.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
We have our gliders now.
Ma'am,
It is also correct.
Ma'am, Varun is looking ghost in this virtual background. Ma'am, picture.
very high.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody's jet plane is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is flying very high.
All right. So everybody take a jet plane in your hand. I'm going to click a picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Not ready. Why, Iram?
Ma'am, because I don't know the step, ma'am, you have done.
Okay. After which step you don't know what is done?
Ma'am, I have not, ma'am, because I have left the meeting, so ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, what steps.
Okay,
you
hurry
are
up.
doing.
Hurry up. Now, step number 1 is you have to fold the paper like this. You have this piece of paper in your hand. You have step 1, fold the paper like this. Bring it down and make a pointed edge here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then after folding it, bring it down like this. Bring this triangle part down. Fold it down. Done?
Okay, ma'am.
Then after doing this, these 2 points, these 2 corners, we have to make them meet like this. They should touch each other. They should not overlap each other.
I wanted also use that very much because its stuff is ready. Ma'am, but if it is very big paper, then it cannot be.
All right. See, Iram, till you
Ma'am,
get this.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now there will be a little triangle kind of a thing, a little tongue that is left here. So you have to fold the tongue upwards. Have you got this tongue here?
Ma'am, I cannot see.
How have you folded? How have you made both the points meet? First tell me this. These 2 points, we have to make them meet here. When you make them meet here, a little tongue kind of a thing is left here.
Oh.
Ma'am, but in mine, there is no.
Better so make it fold like this, no? Make the 2 points meet like this, that a little paper, a little triangle kind of a thing is left on the bottom.
Ma'am, I was doing it correctly. Then my paper tear.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I can try very much till now.
Iram, done?
Ma'am, I cannot.
At least show me, beta, which step you have done.
Ma'am, I am on the mobile. Ma'am, I cannot show.
Then can I
Okay.
show Iram?
All right, Iram. So you will be taught it later. Let me take a picture of everyone.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody just hold your planes in your hand.
Beta.
Papa.
I can't see so many students. Cameras on. Very good. Very nice. Abhimanyu, Kushag, Dev, Riddhi. What about you? WhatsApp and 4th C. Where is 4th C? Where is 4th C? Okay, fine. Wow, Jayesh has sent the picture already on the class group. Okay, so here it goes. Children, please. I can't see. I can only see 3 students. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, it will be like this.
Abhimanyu, where is your this thing? Plane in your hand? All right. Very nice.
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Perfect. What is it, Anshuman? Jet plane.
A glider.
Okay, sorry.
Glider.
Glider by. All right, children, you can, Varun, you can change your pose. The pic has been taken.
Okay, ma'am, I am seeing.
Can you send on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, beta, I'm doing. Wait, just wait.
Ma'am, it has come. No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
my
no.
plane is little greater.
Ma'am, it is not count. And it is correct.
When the class will be in after 6 minutes.
Ma'am, it is count.
Yes, the class is going to end after 6 minutes and then you're going to have your 0 period. Children, are you enjoying your 0 period?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Very much.
Ma'am, I cannot enjoy that, ma'am, because I am on mobile.
Can I tell you how to make a fighter plane?
Beta, now see there is no time left. Next class, we are going to make something good. Okay. Utsav Gangwar,
Yes, ma'am.
it will be your turn next to teach us how to make a frog.
Okay.
Yes, you will learn by YouTube. You will learn it on YouTube and you will teach us.
Ma'am, I know how
Teach it
to
to all of us. Yes,
Ma'am, I know how to make.
you don't have to draw it. You have to make it through paper craft.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, you have told us that we will do very good and very big activity. But ma'am, this is so small activity.
Ma'am, in third, I have made very much frog.
Okay, very nice. And if you don't want to teach frog, you can teach something of your choice. It could be a flower, it could be a butterfly, it could
Ma'am,
be anything.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Dev.
can I show? Ma'am, can I show an eagle glider?
That is very easy. Can I tell?
Can I show an eagle glider?
Okay, just show it on your own. Yes, Iram, what are you asking?
Please wait 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I am saying that ma'am, I cannot enjoy the 0 period because on the mobile.
Why can't you enjoy? What happens on mobile?
Ma'am, because my mobile network do not catches the zoom and it hangs. And my
Oh.
laptop is so ma'am it can not hang.
That's very, very sad.
Ma'am, today is my birthday and ma'am some guests so come also and ma'am I have to go also.
Ma'am, can I show
So
you?
you'll be busy the whole day, huh, Iram? You'll be having fun
Yes,
the
ma'am.
whole day. Very nice, very good.
Can I show you my glider flying?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show you my glider flying?
Yes, yes, sure. Very good, very nice. So here now still we are left with a little time.
Ma'am, if you know, can you tell ma'am
Ma'am, I can make fighter plane in this time. Can I show you?
Better one by one, one by one. See, Iram is speaking something, just wait. Yes.
Ma'am, if you know, in the computer, in my computer, there is first written that restarting, and ma'am, now it is getting Windows ready. Don't turn off your computer.
All right. Now it tells.
Ma'am, getting Windows ready. Don't turn off your computer. Ma'am, but it takes a long time ago. Ma'am, it is saying this only.
But Iram, I tell you what, I'm really not good at these technical things, beta.
Ma'am,
So
I know.
so I can't
Ma'am, I
help
know
you
this.
out on this. Okay.
Ma'am, I help.
Okay, Utsav, please help her.
Ma'am, after some times, ma'am, it will load automatically.
Yes.
Ma'am, but it is taking very much time from the class that is starting, ma'am. From there, it is taking the time.
So, ma'am, the net should be fast.
But the net should not be fast. Now it not be fast.
Ma'am, this is an eagle glider.
Oh, very nice. Very good.
The meeting, and ma'am, can I join when my laptop is ready with the fast network?
Beta, see, if your network, if your signals are good, it doesn't matter which device are you using it from. It doesn't matter. Your signals should be strong enough to support your app.
But ma'am, my signals are not very strong, ma'am. They are very, very weak.
All right, listen to me now. One thing, when you use your computer, which network do you use?
Ma'am, I use ma'am Jio.
Geo. That's your Wi-Fi broadband connection.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I connect to my mobile to the laptop.
Iram, how much data you got in your mobile?
I got 12 GB and 2 GB.
2 GB.
Is it not a 4G connection that you're using, beta?
Ma'am, it is not a 4G connection.
That
Ma'am, I
is
have
why.
told
That
my
is why
father-
you face this problem, no? It should be 4G.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am telling my father to take a broadband connection on ma'am a 4G. Ma'am, it is coming one network that is Airtel. Ma'am, it is very good, and ma'am, it is unlimited. Ma'am, it can be also support the laptop.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Anyways, now children, let's move to the next class. Let's move to our zero period.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Any other else teacher?
Yes, Iram. What?
Ma'am, zero period is of yours or any other teacher?
Our class
Beta
teacher.
Sangeeta ma'am will take your zero period. Class teachers are supposed to take zero period.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.